Hi everyone. Today the topic the optic atrophy. The definition is axon of an anterior visual system that is from a retinal ganglion to the lateral geniculate body. Any damage to this structure will lead to degeneration of optic nerve. It is known as optic atrophy. The classifications are mainly three. We are going to discuss about the three topics as primary versus secondary optic atrophy, ophthalmic classification, ascending versus descending optic atrophy. So, in primary, there is no eye problems. It is due to some diseases, especially the syphilitic condition, which causes an optic atrophy of tapes dorsalis. What is meant by that tapes dorsalis? A sensory signal from the eye to the brain is conducted by a nerve fiber. It is known as tapes dorsalis. So this syphilitic condition will cause an atrophy to that tapes dorsalis. In secondary, it is due to eye complications, mainly by optic neuritis and papilledema. Papillitis in multiple sclerosis will cause secondary optic atrophy. Retrobulbar neuritis in multiple sclerosis will cause primary optic atrophy. In ophthalmic classification, let's see later by a very detailed tabular column. Now we discuss about ascending versus descending optic atrophy. For a better understanding, we should know about the visual pathway. So, from retina to the optic nerve and to the chiasma and to the optic tract, then to lateral geniculate body and radiation and visual cortex. In first and second and third, we all know about these neuron orders. Ascending optic atrophy is also known as Wallerian degeneration or autograde optic atrophy. Any problem from the eye towards the lateral geniculate body, it is known as ascending optic atrophy. Problems from lateral geniculate body towards the eye, it is known as descending optic atrophy or retrograde optic atrophy. The optic radiation and visual cortex are not majorly cause the optic atrophies. In ascending optic atrophy, mainly the retinal ganglion cells may get degenerated, and in optic disc, the nerve fibers will get degeneration. The pathological features under the optic atrophical classifications, mainly the ophthalmic appearance. Let's see about the second part of the video. Thank you.